In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted file or folder in OneDrive. This is a skill you might find handy if you've ever accidentally deleted something important and need to get it back. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time and hassle in the future. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the OneDrive website. Log in with your credentials to access your account. This step is simple but essential, as it sets the stage for everything else. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your OneDrive account dashboard, where you can see all your files and folders. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a series of options, one of which is the Recycle bin. Go ahead and click on that. The Recycle bin in OneDrive acts just like the one on your computer. It's a temporary storage area for your deleted items. Anything deleted from OneDrive remains here for a set period, typically 30 days, making recovery possible and convenient. After accessing the Recycle bin, you'll be able to see a list of recently deleted files and folders. This is where you'll find the item you wish to recover. Browse through the listed files thoroughly until you find the one you're looking for. The list can be long if you have a lot of activity, so patience is key here. Once you've identified the file or folder you want to recover, hover your mouse over it. You will notice a small checkbox appear next to the file. Go ahead and check it. If you're looking to recover multiple files, you can select additional ones by repeating this action on each file or folder you need restored. With your file selected, locate the menu bar above and find the option that says Restore. Click on it. This action is similar to the magic undo button, bringing your files back to their original location within your OneDrive account. Now, let's move to verify if everything's back in place. Navigate to the original location of the folder or file that you restored. This ensures that your important documents or items are once again accessible to you as if they were never removed. Remember, access to the original file's location can save you the trouble of searching through your entire OneDrive account again. OneDrive's Recycle bin is a built-in saving grace when it comes to accidental deletions. However, remember that the Recycle bin only holds files for a limited time, after which, recovery might be impossible. So, it's a good practice to periodically check your Recycle bin to ensure nothing essential is permanently lost. And that wraps up today's tutorial on recovering deleted files or folders in OneDrive. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now fully equipped to handle accidental deletions like a pro. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.